Namaskar. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio, welcoming listeners in East, West and Northwest Africa and West Europe and the United Kingdom. For listeners in East Africa, we are beaming the service on 11,935 kilohertz on the 25-meter band, 7,400 kilohertz on the 41-meter band, and 9,415 kilohertz on the 31-meter band. Our West and Northwest African listeners can tune into us on 9,445 kilohertz on the 31-meter band, 7,410 kilohertz on the 41-meter band, and 6,120 kilohertz on the 49-meter band. Listeners in West Europe and the United Kingdom can listen to us on 7,550 kilohertz on the 41-meter band, 6,280 kilohertz on the 49-meter band, and 9,950 kilohertz on the 31-meter band. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio. We now bring you the program summary. IST 2315 UTC 1745. We bring you devotional music, bhajans by Jagjeet Singh. IST 2340 UTC 1810. You can tune into commentary. 2345 IST 1815 UTC. We will bring you folk songs from Rajasthan. 0000 IST 1830 UTC. Panorama of Progress. Role of NGOs in Nation Building. Talk by P.C. Pandey, Chief Functionary, Times Foundation. 0010 IST 1840 UTC. You can listen to Hindustani instrumental music, Sarud recital by Ustad Amjad Ali Khan. 0035 IST 1905 UTC. You can tune into Press Review. 0040 IST 1910 UTC. You can tune into Listener's Choice Film Music Program. 0100 IST 1930 UTC commentary and 0105 IST 1935 UTC in live music. You can listen to various artists. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio. We now bring you devotional music.